Thailand is so tasty and cheap, varied and affordable. What is the main difference between the stores and where should I buy street food? What is to try first from the abundance of the proposed Asian products? We know one thing, travelers like Thai don't like any other Asian cuisine. So get ready to get acquainted with new dishes that will soon become your favorites. Tom Yam. In the field of gastronomy, Tom Yam is uniquely the main visiting card of Thailand. This dish must be tried for sure, a delicious soup that harmoniously combines all 5 basic tastes: sour, sweet, bitter, salty, and of course spicy. A broth for Tom Yam is prepared on the basis of lemongrass, lime, galanga, something like ginger, and other herbs with a refreshing taste. Sometimes it is boiled in coconut milk. For a first acquaintance with Tom Yam in Thailand, you should take a proven classic, Tom Yam Kang, shrimp soup. The last word always means the type of broth or meat. Tom Yam Gai, with chicken. But the first time it is better to order the option of one chili or little spicy, so as not to burn out from the inside out of habit. Even this option will be sharp. Pad Thai, a popular street food that every tourist should try in Thailand. Pad Thai is so popular that it is equally easy to buy at a mock shop, on Pattaya Beach, at Phuket's most expensive restaurant, or elsewhere. The dish is prepared from rice noodles fried in a special sauce with eggs, soy sprouts, tofu cheese, and shrimp. Even in the supermarkets like Family Mart or 7-Eleven, which are everywhere in Thailand, it's easy to buy inexpensive rice noodles to make pad thai at home. Mango sticky rice. An excellent vegetarian dish which we recommend to try on a vacation in Thailand. It is served with the most tender ripe mango. It is good to drink this dish.
And the YouTube channel are working day and night to provide you with all about your food and drink curiosities from around the world. We would like your help to further expand our food and beverage portfolio. Wherever you are in the world, send your food and beverage experiences to admin@fooddrinkmagazine.com in a video or article format. Let the introduce your country, region, or business, your food and drink traditions to all over the world. Thank you in advance for your contribution. Please visit our website at www.fooddrinkmagazine.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy our videos.